Installing void former might sound simple, but without the right precautions it can all go wrong. Let's look at how you can get it right the first time. G'day, my name's Nathan and welcome back to Concrete Compass. In today's episode we're walking through the correct way to install cardboard void former so that it performs exactly as designed. As we've mentioned in previous episodes, cardboard void former is intentionally susceptible to moisture. Prior to installation, it's critical to take every precaution to prevent it from getting wet. Often there's no undercover storage available on site, so work closely with your supplier to arrange delivery as close as possible to installation time. And while weather predictions are anything but predictable, try to choose an installation and pour window with fine weather. Void former is typically laid on a prepared subbase with reinforcing chaired on top of the sheet. If you're a smart contractor and have selected bagged void former, make sure you slash the protective bagging just before installation. And then cover the sheet with 200 micron polyethylene builder's film to protect the void former from the wet concrete. For reinforcing, continuous rail chairs and spaces are recommended because they spread the load across a larger area. While cardboard void former has impressive area load ratings, it performs poorly under point loads. So if you're using a slab on ground chair or spider chairs, make sure to use a pizza plate underneath each one to spread the load. Once the panels and reinforcing are in place, the concrete should be poured as soon as possible. If any panels become damaged or wet before pouring, they must be replaced. In situations where complex steelwork might delay the pour, consider laying the void former and then pouring a layer of blinding or lean concrete over the void former and polyethylene before installing reinforcing. This protects the void former from premature collapse and gives extra time for installation. As every slab is different, always check with your engineer before adopting this option. If you've got any questions about installing void former or you want guidance on best practice for your project, get in touch with one of our experts at Allcon. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media so you don't miss future episodes. Thanks very much for watching and we'll see you next time.